In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use Windows for voice typing. Let's get started. First of all, before you start, make sure your microphone is properly connected and working on a Windows PC. To check this, launch settings, go to the option system, click on the option sound. From here, confirm that your microphone is selected and responding correctly when you speak. Once your microphone is ready, open any blank document, note, or text field where you want to type using your voice. Now simply press the Windows key and H key together on your keyboard. This will instantly open the voice typing tool on your screen. Once it appears, click the microphone button and start speaking clearly. As you talk, Windows will automatically convert your speech into text in real time, typing everything you say without you needing to touch the keyboard. You can use this feature for writing documents, sending emails, taking notes, or even chatting, making your workflow much faster and easier. And that's it. This is how you can easily enable and use voice typing on Windows 11. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.